Hi everybody, this is Mike from Door and Lock Tips, and I just received my special camera gimbal. So let's just see what's inside the box. This is kind of cool. Oh, there it is. Well, we're just going to send that right back. We don't need this thing. Oh, I'm going to take it. Well, this isn't my normal videos, but, you know, got a break from the locksmithing world every once in a while. Don't tell Amityke. The manual seems too thick. I don't like that manual. Service card, never fill them out. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. Nice case, beautiful case, really. Can I put my lock picks in this thing? Maybe. I think they want me to use this case. Actually, it has all kinds of goodies in it. Ooh, cables. That means I gotta charge this thing. It's a 3-axis gimbal. It's kind of cool. Let's see what else is in here. Shouldn't be using my right arm. I just had an operation. Yeah, that's all right. Whoever listens to the doctor, anyway. Well, let's get this bad boy out and take a look. Pretty cool. Must say it looks better than a lockpick. I shouldn't say that out loud. I've got too many in the room. They might attack me. So I guess I got another learning curve ahead of me. I wish it wasn't the case. I gotta charge this thing. So I will get back with you. Hopefully it improves the quality of my videos.